My name is Jill Thompson, and I'm here today to share about our Distance Learning Core 4 Look For Walkthrough Guide. Using this guide provides educators a way to clearly identify the specific ways that instruction can change to support student learning no matter what environment you're in. This guide is intended to support, not evaluate, as you walk through classrooms, allowing you to set goals for your school and track progress along the way. The core 4 elements are targeted instruction, data-driven decision, student reflection and ownership, flexible content and tools. Let's take a deeper dive into each of the core 4, starting with targeted instruction. Targeted instruction is when educators are grouping students based on skill level, needs, or interest. The focus is on the instructional design of the classroom. Data-driven decision is frequently collecting data to inform instructional decisions and groupings. This data should be transparent with the student as well, so they can say their growth over time and use the feedback to make adjustments in their learning. Student ownership and reflection is about students owning their learning. It is important to develop student learning metacognition through goal setting and reflection, along with providing them choice. Flexible content and tools is when educators are utilizing instructional materials that allow for different path, pace, and performance tasks by utilizing different instructional designs such as choice boards, playlists, and pathways. Flexible content and tools should be utilized for synchronous and asynchronous instruction. We highly recommend starting with one area of the core 4. You can start with an area that is your biggest needs, or start with an area that you can see the easiest win for your school. The elements of the core 4 should be viewed as a spectrum that can be started immediately in small ways, building on what you're already doing in your schools and your classrooms. If you want any support in using this guide, please contact Education Elements at info@edelements.com.